The concrete jungle, once a symbol of human dominance, now lay in ruins. Vines snaked up crumbling skyscrapers, their emerald tendrils reclaiming the steel and glass. The air, once thick with the din of progress, now echoed with the calls of the wild. This was a world transformed, a world where the animals ruled. Gone were the familiar sights of human civilization, replaced by an unsettling wilderness. Streets once teeming with cars now served as pathways for packs of wolves. The remnants of homes, once filled with laughter and light, stood as eerie husks. The change had been swift and brutal. A silent plague, they called it. It swept through the human world, leaving chaos and silence in its wake. And from the ashes of that silence, the animal kingdom rose. In the heart of the ruined city, a pride of lions had made their den amidst the shattered remains of a grand theater. The lions, once confined to zoos and savannas, now stalked the concrete jungle with a primeval confidence. Their roars, once a source of amusement for zoogoers, now sent chills down the spines of any who dared to hear them. One lion, his mane thick and dark, stood atop a toppled statue, his amber eyes scanning the cityscape. The gaze, once a symbol of captivity, now held an unnerving intelligence. They had adapted to this new world, learned to hunt in its concrete canyons, to claim it as her own. The scent of fear, once so alien in this urban jungle, now hung heavy in the air. It was the scent of prey, of the few remaining humans who hid in the shadows, their reign over. Elephants, those majestic giants, had always inspired awe. Now, amidst the ruins, they evoked a sense of ancient power, of nature reclaiming its dominion. Their trumpeting calls echoed through the deserted streets, a haunting symphony of a world transformed. They moved with a slow, deliberate grace, their massive feet crushing the asphalt with ease. Buildings that had once scraped the sky were now dwarfed by these titans, their crumbling facades no match for the elephant's raw strength. A sense of eerie peace settled over the city as they passed. It was the peace of a world returned to a primeval state, a world where the rhythm of nature, not the hum of machines, dictated the flow of life. The pack's prowl. Nightfall brought with it a new terror, the eerie howl of wolves. Once relegated to the wilderness and whispered tales, they now roamed the city streets with impunity, their eyes gleaming in the darkness. Their howls, a chilling chorus, echoed through the empty buildings, a symphony of wilderness reclaiming its own. They moved with a ghostly silence, their shadows stretching long and thin in the moonlight, their presence a constant reminder of the wildness that now prevailed. The remnants of human scent, once so pervasive, were now faint, but for the wolves they were enough. They were the scent of prey, of a species that had fallen, and the wolves, in their primal wisdom, knew it. Echoes of domestication. Not all animals had embraced the wildness. Some still bore the marks of domestication, their behavior a strange echo of the world that was. Dogs, once loyal companions, now roamed in packs, their barks carrying a feral edge. Their eyes, once filled with trust and affection, now held a spark of something wilder, something untamed. They scavenged amongst the ruins, their domesticated instincts battling with the primal need to survive in this new, unforgiving world. Even the cats, those creatures of independent spirit, seemed to move with a heightened awareness, their sleek forms slinking through the shadows, their eyes reflecting the moonlight like shards of broken glass. They were survivors, adapting to this changed world, their feline grace tinged with a newfound ferocity. A world without us? The world belonged to the animals now. They moved with a confidence born of instinct, their presence a constant reminder of the fragility of human dominance. The cities, once symbols of human achievement, were now monuments to the enduring power of the natural world. But in the shadows, a few humans remained, watching, adapting, learning to coexist in this new world order. They had learned the hard way that they were not the masters of this planet, but merely tenants, sharing space with creatures far older and wilder than themselves. The question was, could they learn to live in harmony with this rewilded world? Or would they, like the dinosaurs before them, fade into the annals of history, leaving the animals to inherit the earth once more? The answer, like the future itself, remained shrouded in the eerie silence of a world transformed.